Hello students, welcome to geography class of class 7. We were doing lesson number 7, Europe, political division and the physical features. Topics discussed in previous video. Location, hemisphere, latitudinal extent, longitudinal extent, north-south extent, east-west extent, important latitude, important longitude, area, islands, and surrounding water bodies. Terms discussed in previous video. Continents, sea, gulf, ocean, islands, peninsula, strait. Topics to be discussed in today's video. Political division, countries and capitals of Europe. In this, we will discuss today Scandinavian countries and Balkan states. Today, students, we are going to start with the political division of Europe. Now, Europe has 50 countries, with Russia being the largest one and the Vatican City being the smallest. Vatican City is the smallest country of the world. Still, it is very famous for Saint Peter's Basilica. It is a very famous church of Christians. Most of these countries are grouped together according to their location, physiography, or political affiliation. These grouped countries are referred to by distinct names. The political division of Europe is as follows. The countries of Europe divided into many divisions. Number 1, Scandinavian countries. Number 2, Balkan states. Number 3, Iberian Peninsula. Number 4, Lowland countries. Number 5, Baltic states. Number 6, Western European countries. Number 7, Central European countries. And number 8, British Isles. So these are the divisions of countries, and we will discuss all these sections, all these divisions side by side. So number 1, we will discuss the Scandinavian countries, which are also known as Nordic countries. These include Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland and Denmark form the Scandinavian peninsula. Denmark is included in this group as it is historically, culturally and linguistically related to Norway and Sweden. Iceland is included due to its linguistic relation with the other countries. Sweden is the most industrialized country of Europe. It is also the leading producer of iron ore in Europe. The Scandinavian countries are also known as Nordic countries because these countries are joined by their economic factors. Now students, let's learn the Scandinavian countries along with their capitals. First country is Norway. What is the capital of Norway? Oslo is the capital of Norway. Norway has 6 months nights and 6 months day, as it lies beyond the Arctic Circle. Thus the sun neither rises nor sets for few months in a year. Therefore it is known as land of midnight sun. Norway is the first country started producing the hydroelectricity through dams. It has largest forest cover area and also famous for fjords. Fjords mean U-shaped valley submerged under the sea. Number 2, Sweden. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. It is the most populous city in Sweden and on the Scandinavian peninsula. Number 3 is Finland. The capital of Finland is Helsinki. Finland is known as land of thousands lakes and it is also known as a land of forest as it is covered with dense forest. Number 4, Denmark. Its capital is Copenhagen. Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark. Officially, the Kingdom of Denmark is a Nordic country in the northern Europe. It is known as the key of the Baltic Sea. It is the center of export of the dairy products and eggs. Number 5 country is Iceland. The capital of Iceland is Reykjavik. Reykjavik is the country's capital and the largest city. It is the most northerly situated capital of the world. Next, we are going to discuss the Balkan states. These countries are those which lie in the Balkan Peninsula. The Balkan Peninsula is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Number 1, the Adriatic Sea to the west. Number 2, the Mediterranean Sea and the Marmara Sea to the south. And the third one is the Black Sea to the east. Now let us discuss the countries lie in the Balkan Peninsula. Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Greece, Kosovo, Macedonia, Montenegro. Now let's discuss the countries lying partially within the Balkan Peninsula. Croatia, Slovenia, Italy, Serbia, Romania, Turkey. Now we will discuss all the Balkan states, its countries with their capitals. Number 1 country is Albania. Capital is Tirana. Number 2, the country name is Bosnia and Herzegovina. The capital name is Sarajevo. Number 3, Bulgaria. The capital name is Sofia. Number 4, Greece. Capital name is Athens. Number 5, Kosovo. Capital name is Pristina. Number 6, Macedonia. The capital name is Skopje. Number 7, Montenegro. The capital name is Podgorica. Number 8, Croatia. The capital name is Zagreb. Number 9, Slovenia. The capital name is Ljubljana. Number 10, Italy. The capital name is Rome. Number 11, Serbia. The capital name is Belgrade. Number 12, Romania. The capital name is Bucharest. And number 13 is Turkey. The capital name is Ankara. Now students, let us recall all the countries with their capitals. First, Scandinavian countries, which is also known as Nordic countries. Number 1, Norway, Oslo. Number 2, Sweden, Stockholm. Number 3, Finland, Helsinki. Number 4, Denmark, Copenhagen. And number 5 is Iceland. Capital of Iceland is Reykjavik. Next, Balkan states. First is Albania, Tirana. Number 2, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo. Number 3, Bulgaria, Sofia. Number 4, Greece, Athens. Number 5, Kosovo. Capital name is Pristina. Number 6, Macedonia, Skopje. And number 7, Montenegro. The capital name is Podgorica. Next, Croatia. Capital name is Zagreb. Number 2, Slovenia. Capital name is Ljubljana. Number 3, Italy. Capital name is Rome. Number 4, Serbia. The capital name is Belgrade. Number 5, Romania. Capital name is Bucharest. Number 6, Turkey. Capital name is Ankara. So students, this is the end of the today's topic. I hope you understood the topic. You are able to solve some exercises by yourself. You will learn all the countries with their capitals, and don't forget to fill the map. You have to fill the map and paste it in your copies. I hope students you will do the same. I will come with the next video of the same chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.